Hi everyone, today we are going to be making baked chicken tenders. So for our ingredients, we're going to need chicken tenders, 1 egg scrambled, some flour on a plate, some breadcrumbs, and some cooking spray. So the first thing I'm going to do is put some cooking spray on our pan. And our first step is going to be taking the chicken tender and coating it in flour. Then we are going to coat it in the egg. And finally, we are going to roll it in the breadcrumbs. Now these breadcrumbs are seasoned, so you don't need to add any more salt and pepper because there is salt in the breadcrumbs as it is. And we're gonna lay them on the pan like that. Flour. Make sure to get all over the chicken. Egg and breadcrumb. These breadcrumbs are Italian breadcrumbs. So there's different spices and herbs in the breadcrumbs. The next thing that we are going to do is we are going to bake our chicken tenders. And we are going to bake them using a toaster oven. Please ask a parent or guardian for help or assistance or supervision when using a toaster oven. So we're going to take our chicken tenders and we are going to place them in the toaster oven. We are gonna bake at 400 degrees for 20 minutes until they are golden brown and the chicken is all the way cooked through. You can also make these in a normal oven, again at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, the chicken tenders will be crispy and browned on top, and they are ready to be plated and to eat. Enjoy with ketchup or any dipping sauces that you like.